Culture is dynamic and everything that comes with it. But then, is it even possible to recount all the names given to the creator by Ndi Igbo? I am not going to mention names like Dikenadimba and other praise names. However, I am making this video because so many Igbo people don't know that Abiama has a meaning in Igbo language. I was ashamed saying that, and I had the feeling to share more. There might be more, but there are 7 names that are actually meant for the creator in Igbo language. However, I will be restricting the definition of the names to literal meanings, no metaphysics or cosmology. Let's go. Number 1, Chukwu Okike Abiama, which means the wisdom of the great energy or force of creation made manifest. Abiama means a manifested wisdom. Abia means wisdom or knowledge. Ama is to represent or to show or to manifest. From Chukwu Okike Abiama, we also have Chukwu Owiem, which means the great force or energy that showed itself. We have the shorter form, which is Chukwu, the great force or energy. Number 2, Chineke, the force or energy and its manifestation. 3, we have Olisa or Olise, Osa or Ose or Osebolowa, all which are clipped from Olisa Bolowa, which means the molder that carried the earth or the world. Number 4, we have Awa, which is a clipped form of Awawawaru Onweya, which means the divider that divided itself. Number 5, we have Ezechitoke, the priest that begets greatness, or the representative or representation of greatness. Number 6, we have Ijitofu, which means the hidden controller. Number 7, we have Ijitora, which is Uchechi, or universal consciousness. So what is a sweet meal without an extra plate? Finally, we have Obasi, which is a corrupted form of Abasi or Awasi, which was borrowed from the Efik Ibibio Anlang interrelationship over time, and it means the creator. I only gave literal meanings of these names, so tell me in the comment section if you would like me to make a video giving the metaphysical and cosmological meanings of those names. See you soon.